Hi friends! In today's video, we will create holographic stickers together using Silhouette Portrait 4. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, you'll need to prepare your designs. I do that in Procreate, including the outline around it. Make sure that you export them as PNG files so Silhouette knows where to cut. Then, just open them up in Silhouette Studio, resize to the size you want, and arrange them inside the registration marks. For this project, I already have a saved template in the studio's library, so I'll use that. Now we need to print it out. I'm using my trusty Epson EcoTank L4266, and for the paper I like to use HDV Ron's matte vinyl sticker paper. When it comes to the print settings, it can really vary based on the paper and the printer you're using, so I would actually recommend to do some tests first, but if you're interested in mine, I use the same ones I mentioned in my How I Make Sticker Sheets video, so I'll link that below. Okay, great! Now that we have our beautiful stickers printed, let's add the laminate. I'm using these broken glass effect sheets I got from Amazon. Again, I'll link them in the description. When it comes to adding the laminate, I like to fold 1 centimeter or 2 from the top and then apply it slowly, pressing it on with my hand. You can also use a squeegee or ruler for this. Finally, I take this roller from Craftelier and I really press it on to get rid of any air bubbles. Awesome! Now all that's left to do is get the stickers on the mat and feed it to our machine. For my Silhouette Portrait 4, I'm using the textured heavy cardstock setting, blade 5, force 33 with 3 passes and speed 5. But same thing as for printers, you might need to do some tests on your own machine if you're using different paper, laminate and things like that. I also wanted to add that my Silhouette is pretty great when it comes to reading registration marks. So if you're having any troubles with it, I would suggest to cut off the corners of the laminate, and that should solve the issue. Okay, the stickers are done, so let's do the satisfying peel and remove them from the mat. For me, I like to flip it around and scrape them off. After that, I also go over each one of the stickers with the roller again, just to really press the laminate on. And here they are, super cute and super sparkly. Thank you so much for watching this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Also, you can find my new spring collection in my Etsy shop, including the stickers I made in this video. I worked really hard on this launch and I love everything, so I would really appreciate it if you could check it out. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!